It's a beautiful morning here in Ontario. It's just before 4 o'clock. Beautiful clear sky, the stars are twinkling above, it's just above freezing, and best of all, turkey season is open in Ontario. We're going to head back to the woods with our crossbow and see if we can harvest the tom. I am a happy camper this morning. Aren't those colors amazing? What a beautiful piece of creation. I'm so thankful to our Father in heaven. He blessed me this morning with this tom. And I got to shoot him with a crossbow. And not with one shot, but two. And is it ever different pulling the trigger on a crossbow in the turkey woods than pulling a trigger on a 12 gauge 3.5 inch Super Magnum? The crossbow goes boing, the shotgun goes off like an anti-aircraft round, and it seems to shake the world. This, you shoot and it really doesn't make a lot of difference. I love it. I've had a lot of fun here this morning, and my wife and I are going to enjoy a lot of fine meals out of this turkey. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you again on Out of the House with Paul.